Today we're going to talk about types of mammals. Types of mammals, there's three categories, and we're going to base this on how their young develops. Go ahead and write all of this. The first group is monotremes. Monotremes are a small group of mammals that actually lay eggs. Their eggs are not bird-like. They're not hard shells that are broken. Instead, they're kind of like reptile shells. They're tough, leathery shells. So the monotreme, like a duck-billed platypus, is kind of the famous one, will lay these eggs. They will hatch, and then all their other characteristics are the same as mammals. So they have hair. They actually feed the young milk. They have a four-chambered heart, well-developed lungs, all of that stuff. They just lay eggs instead of live birth. Now, you might say, well, if they lay eggs, why are they mammals? Well, this is the best place for them, okay? They have all these other characteristics similar to mammals. You wouldn't put them with birds because they don't have feathers and their eggs are different. You wouldn't put them with reptiles because they're warm-blooded. And so the best place for them is with mammals. So monotremes are egg-laying mammals. Then we have marsupials. You're probably familiar with these. Their young develop in a pouch. Kangaroos, koalas, the only North American marsupial, the possum. What they do is they give birth about partway through the development of the baby. They will give birth, like a kangaroo will give birth to this little peanut-sized baby. It is hairless, pink, blind, not ready for the outside world at all. That baby will crawl through the hair into the pouch, and then it will attach itself to a teat and drink milk and get bigger and grow hair and all of that stuff until it's old enough to come out of the pouch once in a while, and then more and more, and then it'll finally be done. So marsupials are pouch. Then you have us. We are placentals. We develop our young completely inside the female. So all of the development takes place inside the mother, inside a uterus. We call them placentals because the sac that the amniotic fluid is in is a placenta. Afterbirth is placenta. If you've seen something born, the afterbirth is the placenta. The baby develops in there. There's this thing called gestation. That's how long it takes for a baby to be born, from conception, from when the sperm and the egg come together until it's born. Humans have a 9-month gestation period, 40 weeks. Some things like mice have 16 days. Other things like elephants and rhinos have almost 2 years. So placentals develop entirely inside the mother. So we have monotremes, marsupials, and placentals. That is all.